Viettiles cement tile table and chair set, where heritage becomes a living touch point. The Viettiles cement tile table and chair set is more than just furniture. It is a work of art that blends traditional cement tile craftsmanship with contemporary design. The tabletop features intricate patterns and warm colors, paired with a rustic wooden frame to create a space that feels both inviting and full of character. Its unique design makes it perfect for a variety of spaces, cafes, resorts, homestays, or cozy corners at home. Beyond its distinctive aesthetic, the set is highly durable, easy to clean, and environmentally friendly. Every detail is carefully crafted to ensure timeless artisanal value, becoming more beautiful with use. Every cup of coffee and every conversation around the cement tile table becomes a memorable moment, turning the space into more than just a place to live. It tells your own story. The Viettiles table and chair set is where heritage meets modern life, creating an artistic focal point in any space.